Resource dependence theory. Resource dependence theory is a valuable perspective for understanding how organizations and individuals are influenced by external resources and their relationships with resource providers. This theory suggests that organizations are dependent on external resources such as financial capital, information, and expertise to survive and thrive in their environments. In this article, we will explore the key concepts of resource dependence theory and provide examples to illustrate how organizations navigate their resource dependencies and the strategies they employ to manage these relationships effectively. At its core, resource dependence theory recognizes that organizations exist in complex environments where they must acquire and manage the resources necessary for their operations. The theory highlights the interdependence between organizations and their external resource providers, emphasizing that organizations must secure and maintain access to critical resources to ensure their continued functioning. For example, a manufacturing company relies on suppliers for raw materials, transportation services, and other inputs that are essential for its production process. Without a reliable and efficient supply chain, the company's operations would be severely disrupted. Resource dependence theory suggests that organizations adopt various strategies to manage their resource dependencies. These strategies include diversification, in which organizations seek multiple sources of resources to reduce reliance on a single provider, and vertical integration, where organizations acquire or merge with suppliers or distributors to gain more control over resources. For instance, a retail chain may acquire its own distribution centers to ensure a steady supply of products and reduce dependence on external logistics providers. Another strategy organizations employ is establishing strategic alliances and partnerships with other organizations. These collaborations allow organizations to pool resources, share expertise, and leverage complementary strengths. For example, a technology company may form strategic partnerships with research institutions to access cutting-edge knowledge and expertise in developing new products or technologies. Resource dependence theory also recognizes the importance of power dynamics in resource relationships. Organizations with greater resource control and alternative options tend to have more bargaining power in their relationships with resource providers. They can negotiate favorable terms, secure lower prices, or demand better quality. Conversely, organizations with limited alternatives and high dependence on specific resources may be more vulnerable to the demands and conditions imposed by resource providers. For instance, a small startup company heavily reliant on venture capital may face significant pressure from investors to meet financial targets or pursue specific strategies. In summary, resource dependence theory highlights the interdependence between organizations and their external resource providers. It emphasizes the strategies organizations adopt to manage their resource dependencies and the power dynamics that influence these relationships. By understanding resource dependence, organizations can make informed decisions about resource acquisition, diversification, and relationship management to enhance their resilience and sustainability. Resource dependence theory offers valuable insights into the complex dynamics of resource allocation and dependency in organizational contexts.